At the office today, got the whole crew here. It's all about the sheep. Let's get it.
Good morning, here we are, Andrew with Good Space High Performance Builders. We're installing sheep's wool insulation today. This is sheep's wool that we're putting in the attic of this job. I'm going to show you back in the room where we're putting it into the blower after taking it out of the bales and aerating it, and then we'll take you in the attic and show you us putting it in. Love this product, very healthy, can touch it, no problems all day long, sustainable. It's everything we're looking for in a good building product. And so yeah, let's go back into this room and you can see us sucking it up. Here we are in the attic installing. Ulrich and I have been both having to turn on the end of the hose, and it's actually kind of fun, like a video game, filling in the gaps. There's no dust, no bad air, not wearing a mask. So yeah, it blows in beautifully. Really doing a good job of insulating up here. And like I said, it's kind of fun to put in. There's no irritants, just pure sheep wool. What do you think, Ulrich?
Well, like Andrew was saying, it's actually pretty satisfying blowing it in, and we're getting a pretty good R value just with filling up to about 6.5 inches, and it's quite easy getting it under duct work and around line sets, so I feel like it's a pretty good product.
This is how the wool bales arrive to us, delivered to job site. Each one's 220 pounds, but they're quite manageable, just the way they're soft and easy to maneuver around a couple of people. The wool's pretty tightly packed in here for transportation, which actually makes it quite efficient to ship. It's coming from New Zealand, so that's helpful. As far as the product, we really love it. It hits so many goals: worker safety, occupant safety of the building, the people that are living in there. You know, there's nothing toxic here. We don't have any petrochemical products. It's just wool, natural, sustainable. So it hits all of our goals with what a good building product is. It's carbon sequestering, and it does cost a little more, but in the big scheme of things, with what we're spending on the buildings, it's a very small percentage when you look at it like that. So that's the only thing that's perhaps not a positive, is a little bit more cost, but really a great product.